Hi guys! So magkuha namin sa among tubig. Nagipasawran yesterday. So ang pagsawd guys is 24 hours. So ibili na namong bottle dito kay ginasudlan. So sa kadaghan sa magpa-refill sa water. So di maato. So 24 hours siya. So padung namin magkuha mi sa water. Hi guys!
Guys,
Asam to Drake?
we're going to the water filling station with my mama and with my tita.
Nami guys! Kuha 24 hours ang tubig. Sige! Sige! Ay, ganda na yung abot na ni guys. Pero kadawa mo balik. 150 rin nilang galon, te. 150. Barato ila. Water. Isa ka, Drake.
And also make sure to
Hangak, exercise ni.
so we are gonna bring the water. Oh my god, so windy. Let's go down. There's like a car. Damn, I'm looking down there and it's so scary. Downhill. Oh my god. Woo. Make, make, oh my god, this. I'm sick. Oh my god, spooky. Okay, we're gonna go down. It's gonna go downhill. Oh child, it's gonna go fast. Oh shish, it's dark. Oh my god. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna do it, just gonna do it. I'm gonna mind. Going to my house. Oh my god, so blurry. Okay, there it goes. Not blurry anymore. Thank god. Downhill. Going downhill. Okay, drop down the cobbles. Elmo! Elmo, are you trying to escape again?
Guys, duha. So, abot kami guys. So, round 2 ni mo. Balik pa mi kaduha. Last. Thank you for watching. Bye!
Bye, and make sure to subscribe to Drake TV and my channel Drake TV Gaming.